Welcome to a sim code. Pandas data manipulation, data preparation, merging, concatenating, pivoting, and more. Introduction to Pandas. Pandas is a powerful Python library for data manipulation and analysis. It provides data structures like DataFrames and Series, which allow for efficient handling of structured data. This lecture covers key operations such as merging, concatenating, pivoting, and advanced data transformation techniques. Data preparation. Data preparation involves cleaning and transforming raw data into a usable format. This includes handling missing values, filtering data, and converting data types. Handling missing data. In this example, NaN values are replaced with zeros using the filna function, which is a common technique for handling missing data in pandas. Handling missing data. Explanation. The filna method replaces missing values, NaN, with a specified value, in this case, 0. It is a crucial function for preparing data before performing any analysis. Merging data frames. Merging data frames is essential when working with related datasets. Pandas supports various join operations, inner, outer, left, right, enabling users to merge data on common columns or indices. This allows for combining information from different sources into one cohesive dataset. Inner join example. Here, an inner join is performed on two data frames using the key column. The resulting data frame only contains rows with matching key values. Merging data frames. Explanation. The merge function is used to combine two data frames based on a common column, key. By specifying how equals inner, we perform an inner join, which only includes matching rows from both data frames. Concatenating data frames. Concatenation is used to combine data frames along a particular axis, rows, or columns. It is useful when you have data sets with the same structure and want to stack them together. Concatenation example. This example demonstrates how to concatenate two data frames vertically using the concat function. Concatenation. Explanation. The concat function stacks data frames along a specified axis. By default, it concatenates vertically, axis equals 0. The ignore index equals true parameter resets the index of the resulting data frame. Pivoting data frames. Pivoting is used to reshape data by converting rows into columns or vice versa. It is particularly useful for creating summary tables or reorganizing data for analysis. Pivoting example. This example demonstrates how to pivot a data frame to create a summary table of temperatures by date and city. Pivoting. Explanation. The pivot function reshapes the data frame by specifying an index, columns, and values. It is useful for creating cross-tabulations or summary tables. Conclusion. Pandas offers an extensive suite of functions for data manipulation, cleaning, and merging. By understanding these key operations, data scientists can efficiently prepare and analyze data sets. Whether you are adding new columns, handling missing data, or merging data sets, Pandas simplifies these tasks and makes data analysis much more efficient.